Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to insert a time clock symbol in MS Word. It's guys very easy and simple method. First click on insert. Here you see insert option is available. Click on it and here you see symbol option is available. Click on it and again click on symbols. Then click on more symbols. Font select this one. Subset select this one. Character code is 23F2 and click insert. How much can you edit? And shortcut key is also available. 23F2 Alt plus X. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. And this video useful or not, please comment and subscribe my channel for latest update.